So I'm here in the rose garden at the Dothan Botanical Gardens, and I wish that video could get smell, because these actually still smell. A lot of roses that you buy don't smell anymore. But my mom grew roses my whole life and still does, and I've started to. So here we go. Let me see if I can flip this, and you can just see how beautiful. Oh, and these purple ones, you never see those. The bees are around, the butterflies. I just saw a red cardinal and a huge, huge yellow butterfly.